And welcome back. I'm so sorry about what happened in the last video. I believe I figured out the issue that was going on. It was probably because my trash bin was full from all the previous videos that I've made and uploaded to YouTube. They were all pretty lengthy, so I think that's probably the reason why, because they stay in my trash bin for 7 days before they get deleted automatically, unless I delete them manually. So I just emptied my trash bin, and so hopefully that fixes the problem. Let's jump right back into the video. We have 5 more items to do, 4 of which are crunches, and then the plank. So let's get started. Okay. Alright, so as I was saying in the last video, every time you do 2 legs, that counts as 1 for the reverse mountain climber. So remember to keep your eyes fixed on a certain spot, which in my case, that is the corner that goes in between the wall and the ceiling. So make sure to keep your head straight, your neck straight, tighten that core, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow, and I just kicked her chair. If you notice me looking at the camera a couple times throughout the video, it's just so I can make sure that it doesn't stop. So, let's continue. The next one is similar to the second one. Legs up, arms up, and don't thrust yourself up with your arms. Keep yourself steady. Keep a fixed point and go. Alright. Number 8 is the one where we're bent over. Alright. And alright, number 9 is the V-sit. Okay. We're doing good so far. Camera hasn't cut out yet. We're good. Okay. Alright. Keep those arms off the floor. Keep your back as straight as possible. Sit in the V. And keep that core nice and tight. Go. I'm starting to sweat. Holy. And last but not least, a 20-second plank. We got this. Remember to keep that core tight. and keep your body straight. And go. Alright. Really good. I'm tired. Okay. So, there we have it. Part 2 of day 3. We did it. And the only reason why I'm out of breath right now is because while the last video was uploading, which was part 1, I did my leg and butt workout, so I'm kind of exhausted. And then I still have my chest workout that I have to do as well, so a lot to get yourself in shape, hey? Anyways, if you liked both of these videos, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. I will link day 1, day 2, and part 1 to this video down below so that you can go and watch those if you haven't watched them already. And leave a friendly comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!